is too hot. That temperature nowadays at this time it is almost 32 degrees Celsius. So still I'm just be in the sunlight, because in this COVID-19 situation it was suggested that to remain in sunshine for at least 5 minutes, and this is my suggestion to you too, that take some time, spend some time in sunlight for 5 minutes at least, because it is very useful for you. It is very beneficial for you health wise. Okay, so today I'm here in the do you know section with one story, and remember this story is based on scientific activity. So I hope you will enjoy this story and stay connected with this story. Don't leave the part, because there is one question after the story, and I'm sure about it that you will get the answer of this story after some investigation in scientific book. Okay, before this I want to share you one information that right now there is a prediction that one asteroid can hit the earth's surface. Okay, that one predicted date was 21st of May, that has gone. So it may be the next date which is whatever I searched, that date is 6th of June. So that is all the space activity. We don't bother about it because our scientists are there to look after that. So come with the story. This story is twin paradox. Dick and Jane are the twins. Okay, Dick was sister and Jane was brother. Okay, so both are twins, means they were born at the same time. And remember in this story what happened, both were astronauts. They were astronauts, and they were very interested in scientific activities, space observation, space activity. They were very much interested. So at one day they decided, because both were twins and they just argue with each other with different activities, and that argument is very positive. So one day they have decided, at the age of 20, they have decided that one will go up in another planet in space and one will remain at the earth. So they thought that what happened to them, what happened to their body. They just want to observe that thing, that they just wanted to observe that thing at that time. So what happened, that Jane, who was brother, because he was very curious to see the space, so he had gone with a aircraft, with a spacecraft, and that spacecraft speed, he had decided that is 0.8 of c. 0.8 of c means speed of light. So he had gone in space wise by the speed of 0.8 of speed of light. Okay, and where he had gone, that was 20 light year far from the earth. Okay, Dick, who was a sister, she remained over the earth's surface. Okay, and when Jane returned back after his journey, he was 50 years old while Dick was 70 years old. Means according to Dick, the quiz remains here, that according to Dick, it had been 50 years, because earlier they were what, 20 years old. So what happened, that according to Dick, the journey was of 50 years long. Okay, but according to Jane, he said that no, the journey was only 30-year long, and because Jane was saying so, that I am 50 years old and you are 70 years old. So again there is an argument with them, in between them. So there is, what is the reason behind it, you have to find out, and I'm sure that you will get it. So go through with the book and remain with me, remain in touch with me. And now I am going to give you the clue, and that hint and clue is, this theory is based on time dilation and the relativity theory. So you know the Einstein relativity theory, for which he got Nobel Prize. So you have to go through with the relativity theory and time dilation. So I hope you will get the answer, and next I will come with the answer of this question regarding this story in my next video. So keep in touch. Thank you.